Okay, so the 2026 Toyota Corolla just pulled out. And let's just say it understood the assignment. Efficient? Of course. Fun to drive? Always. Reliable? That's kind of its whole thing. And the lineup? Packed with choices. LE, SE, XSE, Hybrid LE, Hybrid SE, and Hybrid XLE. Whether it's early meetings or late night drives, there's a Corolla built for it. Under the hood, it's simple but smart. The 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 169 horsepower, paired with a smooth dynamic shift CVT. For those wanting more efficiency, the available 1.8-liter hybrid system offers 138 net combined horsepower. Available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive is designed to add extra assurance when conditions change. Gas models keep efficiency top of mind, having up to an EPA estimated 35 miles per gallon combined rating. Corolla Hybrid has up to an EPA estimated 50 miles per gallon combined rating. Proving good mileage doesn't have to come with compromises. Yeah, it looks good. A bold black front grille, available 16-inch alloy wheels, and an optional moonroof add just the right amount of personality and presence. Going sport? The SE, Hybrid SE, and XSE bring the heat. With a gloss black mesh grille, 18-inch alloy wheels, single exhaust with dual chrome finish tips, a sleek rear spoiler, optional two-tone paint. All these eye-catching details come together to turn every drive into a photo op. Step in. It's a vibe. Available smart key? Easy. Available heated front seats? Yes, please. Available 8-way power driver seat? Sit back and own the road. 60/40 split rear seats for extra room, USB-C ports for the crew, and an available Qi wireless charger. A perfect way to help reduce clutter. Display game? Strong. A 7-inch digital gauge cluster comes standard, while a 12.3-inch version is available on SE and Hybrid SE, and standard on XSE and Hybrid XLE. Big screen energy, for real. Every Corolla rolls with Toyota Audio Multimedia and an 8-inch touchscreen, or a level up to 10.5-inch. This platform includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. For that main character soundtrack, add the available 9-speaker JBL system. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial that includes over 165 channels available in cabin, and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. Driving with added peace of mind comes standard. Every grade comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Plus, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Extra eyes to help reduce stress. The 2026 Toyota Corolla is that friend who shows up early, never flakes, and always has snacks. Efficient, fun, reliable. Made to move with purpose. Every Corolla includes Toyota Care, providing 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 2 years of unlimited mileage 24-hour roadside assistance. Corolla hybrid grades also include an 8-year or 100,000-mile hybrid system warranty, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first. Reinforcing Toyota's commitment to quality, durability, and reliability. Explore more at toyota.com.